Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about court cases in history, the O.J. Simpson murder trial. Known as the trial of the century, it had everything: celebrity, crime, and controversy. Let's break it down in simple terms so you can understand every detail of this complex case. Orenthal James Simpson, better known as O.J. Simpson, was a beloved celebrity. He was a football superstar, actor, and sports commentator. By the early 1990s, O.J. had achieved incredible fame, but his life took a dark turn in 1994. And the night of June 12, 1994, two brutal murders shocked the quiet Brentwood neighborhood in Los Angeles. Nicole Brown Simpson, O.J.'s ex-wife, and her friend, Ron Goldman, were found dead outside Nicole's home. Both had been viciously stabbed. Nicole was just 35 years old, and Ron was 25. Police quickly focused their investigation on O.J. Simpson.
Why?
Because O.J. and Nicole had a history of domestic violence. Their relationship was tumultuous, and there had been incidents of O.J. abusing Nicole during their marriage. Before O.J. could be arrested, he went on the run. On June 17, 1994, police spotted him in a white Ford Bronco, driven by his friend Al Cowlings. What followed was a low-speed car chase that was broadcast live on TV. Millions of Americans watched in disbelief as O.J. sat in the back seat, holding a gun to his head. The chase ended at his home, and O.J. surrendered. He was arrested and charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder. The trial started in January 1995 and lasted for about 9 months. It became a media circus, with cameras broadcasting every moment. People couldn't get enough of it. The prosecution's case was straightforward. O.J. Simpson killed Nicole and Ron. They presented several pieces of evidence. DNA evidence. Blood found at the crime scene matched O.J.'s DNA. There were also blood traces in O.J.'s car and at his home. The gloves. A pair of bloody gloves was found. One glove was at the crime scene, and the other was at O.J.'s house. Domestic violence history. The prosecution argued that O.J.'s history of abusing Nicole showed a pattern of violent behavior.
O.J.
Legal team was called the Dream Team, and they included high-profile attorneys like Johnny Cochran, Robert Shapiro, and F. Lee Bailey. Their defense strategy focused on creating doubt about the evidence. When O.J. tried on the gloves in court, they appeared too small. This moment led to Cochran's famous line, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit." His defense suggested that the police were racist and tampered with evidence to frame O.J. They targeted Detective Mark Furman, who had a history of using racial slurs. They questioned how the evidence was handled, claiming it could have been contaminated. Race played a significant role in the trial. O.J. Simpson is black, and both Nicole and Ron were white. The defense argued that O.J. was the victim of a racist justice system. This argument resonated with many in the black community who had long experienced systemic racism in the legal system. On October 3, 1995, after just 4 hours of deliberation, the jury reached a verdict. O.J. Simpson was found not guilty of the murders. The courtroom erupted in reactions. Some people celebrated the decision, while others were shocked and outraged. The verdict didn't mean the end of legal troubles for O.J. In 1997, he faced a civil trial brought by the families of Nicole and Ron. This time, the jury found O.J. responsible for the deaths and ordered him to pay $33.5 million in damages. Years later, in 2007, O.J. was arrested for an unrelated armed robbery case in Las Vegas. He was convicted and served 9 years in prison. Why was this trial so famous? There are several reasons. Celebrity factor. O.J. Simpson was a household name, making the case highly publicized. Media coverage. The trial was televised, and people followed every twist and turn. Cultural issues. The case highlighted issues of race, domestic violence, and the justice system in America. Unanswered questions. Many still debate whether O.J. was truly innocent or guilty. This trial wasn't just about O.J. Simpson. It became a reflection of America's cultural and social divides. The case changed how we view celebrity, the media, and the justice system. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the O.J. Simpson trial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating stories.